Mm-hmm. Yeah, Caden, you're walking. That fits you perfectly. Yeah, it looks comfy. Watch your step. Good job. Uh-oh, you lost something. Oh, there you go. You got it? No. Yeah, easy if you stand up. Yeah, stand up. There you go. And then put your foot in. There you go. Alright. Oh. Try again. Oh. All done? No. Are you? Oh, are you putting it back? Thank you. Yeah, I want to keep my shoes together. Or are you going to try to wear both? Oh my god. Yeah, good job. Can you put the other one on too? Caden, can you do that shoe also? 2 shoes. Only one at a time? No? Oh yeah, you're right. That's the wrong foot, huh? Daddy's silly. What? You want Daddy to put it on for you? You want help? Help? Okay. So you go here. Hey, leave him alone, boys. And put your foot in here. Okay. Now this foot goes in here. Whoop! On your bottom. Daddy's gonna put this down for a second. I don't know what we're seeing. Oh, you're stealing my phone. There you go. All right, Caden. Attaboy. Now you're walking like a big boy, huh? Oh, that's the wrong orientation. Now I've made everyone watching this video very dizzy. Looking good, Caden. Hey, Caden. Can you walk? Uh-oh. Whoa. Is it difficult? I can't imagine that would be hard to balance in. Hey, Caden. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you blow kisses? Nah. Okay. We'll pretend we saw that.